This was really, really good. But today we have a project. Get accomplished. We're in a really good place to be able to do some stuff, so time. Okay guys, I just removed this from up here. Next step, Jeff's gonna put a maxxair fan up there today. I was about to get the cover off. Here we go. I think it's almost ready to come out. Is it getting close?
What?
Is it getting close?
Yeah. Should be done in a minute.
That one must have been sealed down pretty good. Whew, there it goes. Hi, babe. There's Jeff up on the roof, cleaning it up a little bit. This is where we're parked at Jeff's sister's house. They're kind enough to let us park here for a couple of weeks. We're plugged in at the garage. Nice big shade tree. Oh, that's the neighbor. That's the house. Well, I got it even, I think. Now I'm just going to drill the holes and screw it down. Well, he did put the butyl tape down first. And then he's going to screw the holes and put it down. Getting closer. I ran in to help his sister out for a little bit and came back and it was done. And there we have it. It's all done. A few months ago, Jeff installed a maxxair in the back of the RV. Now with having this one in the front, we should have some pretty good airflow.